think I might get out here and get my hoop on. We're gonna see. You know what I'm saying? So look here, in the midst of all the uncertainty that we got going on, you know, it's critically important that we focus on our superpowers and simplify to multiply. So the number one word you're gonna wanna learn how to use in times like this is the word N-O, period. Because a lot of times with everything going on, you're gonna start doubting the things that you super good at and starting to try to entertain the things that you ain't so great at. Because you thinking, you know what, let me try to dive over here and see what's going on over here. Let me dive over here and see what's going on over here. Nah, man, it's time to say no. And sometimes on the real, you'll find yourself in a situation where you can't even catch your blessing because you too focused on trying to catch all of the blessings. All of the blessings may not be for you. You get what I'm saying? So it's critical in this time that you focus on the things that you can dive deep in and get a real full understanding of before you start trying to move to different places. It's funny because it's like the more successful and the more things I get accomplished, the more people submit opportunities to me. And it's like I done got to the point to where now I've learned how to say no with so much absolute conviction that it's insane. Because one thing I've learned is the better you are at saying no, is the better you'll be at receiving the actual blessings that you're supposed to be saying yes to. I believe it's actually more valuable to get better at the things that you're already good at, opposed to trying to figure out something new that you haven't even got a full understanding of. So it's weird because sometimes like I low-key get a little mad when people approach me with certain opportunities that I know that I cannot entertain. Like, because I know that me taking on that opportunity is gonna be me taking away from my potential real opportunity that I have absolute control of. Don't get scatterbrained in this season. You know what? In times like these, it may not be the best time to try to find a new you. It may be time to double down on all of the things that you already good at. You know what I mean? Like, say for instance, like this may be the time, instead of switching to a new system, unless the market is telling you that this is dying, look, man, get better at what you already doing and find 3, maybe 4 new ways to do what you already doing great. You know what I mean? And put more into it, double down. You know what I mean? Or say for instance, instead of saying, okay, I'm gonna switch this and switch, no, don't do that. Double down on what you already good at, real talk. Cause before you know it, you'll have Satan out here having you chasing all kind of waterfalls and rainbows. And I can tell you a fact, you will never catch now one of them. Big facts. Look at here, man. If you've been driving for dollars and that's been working for you, this may not be the time to switch up everything you doing to try text. No, man. Figure out at least 2, 3, 4 more ways to get better at driving for dollars. Square business. If you having issues with your sales conversion, take this time to be reading up on better seller objections that you can overcome that can triple, quadruple your business. Real talk. Or your conversion rate. Straight up. But one thing I can say for sure is that in this particular season, there will be millionaires made. The real question is, will you be one of them? Or will you miss your opportunity trying to grab every single opportunity that may or may not even be there? Or will you be the one that take your superpowers, scale those and those only? That's it. And see what that gets you. I don't know, man. Something to think about. But peace.